What's up YouTube, it's your boy Justin back with another video today. Today I got a special video for y'all. Today we are styling the Lil Yachty Air Force Ones Concrete Boys. Yes, this shoe is very popular right now. If you don't have them, yeah, I know the resale on these is crazy, but everybody, most likely got them and they've been throwing the fits on with them and it's been pretty dope. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, when I seen these shoes, before they release and when they release, I was like, nah, it wasn't my taste, the color and everything, but they grew on me a lot, and they grew on me just because of the people that do have them, the outfits y'all throwing on with them, and Lil Yachty, y'all made them, I ain't gonna lie, y'all made them look fire, so I had to go ahead and get my hands on them. Like I said, the resale price is crazy on them, but if you got one on the release day, you looked up on these, but for some Air Force Ones, y'all know I'm a big Air Force Ones fan since before, in high school. I had every Air Force Ones, from the Wheats to the all whites, every Air Force One. Like, everybody knew me because I had all the Air Force Ones. But now we got these and they've been going crazy with the colorways and everything. I just think it's very, very dope. And pulling out the shoe box, the quality and everything is actually pretty dope. So we're gonna go over the shoe, overview of the shoe, the box and everything like that. This is a quick overview before we get to showing y'all the outfits I threw on with them at the end of this video. So please watch all to the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Josh. I go over a lot of fashion and sneaker reviews, so you don't want to miss out. Make sure you hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. J-Fam, thank y'all for returning. Y'all know we going up. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. Got videos on there too that you will not be disappointed, I'm telling y'all. So let's go ahead and jump into the shoe and the outfits, y'all. So as for the box, we got the regular Nike Just Do It box, the brown and black. This is a similar box, I believe, to the Jordan 12 box, but anyway, we got the normal black box. And as we look into we got the Nike, we got the Concrete Boy symbol and the Nike checks on the paper. They did it different, which I think that's just pretty dope. And as we get into the shoe, we got the shoe right here. The shoe is so dope, man. Of course, we got that pan leather material all around the shoe, glossy green, yellow, and red. I also see the green trim around the Nike check was really pretty cool to me. It kind of make the red Nike check stand out even more. And of course we got the green shoelaces inside, and we got the It's Us on the tongue right here with the Nike. Like the small details, like I tell y'all, it matters. That's pretty dope. I like that. They got it on both of them. It's Us. We got the Just Do It green Nike tag on the side. Then on the back we do have the Concrete Boys with this logo on the back. Check it out. Yeah, that's pretty dope. And of course we got the Concrete Boy symbol on the bottom of the shoe, bottom right to the shoe right there. We got the red on the bottom, yellow bottom sole. Yeah, but no, so far this shoe, like the details and the creativity in this shoe is like 10 out of 10. It's dope. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So, and we got like a different type of leather inside the shoe also. And it's like some good cushion like leather. I ain't gonna lie, like this is some good material inside the shoe. Yeah, like that plush leather. And inside, y'all see we got the Just Do It Nike check and the yellow inside sole. But that's all the overview I had the shoe. Like, just looking at it, this is a dope shoe, good material. I'm gonna put them on feet just to see if it's if it's comfortable. We also have inside the tongue the Lil Yachty, his name right here, also Lil Yachty under the tongue. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, got Lil Yachty. So that's pretty dope. I'm curious if anybody gonna change the shoelaces in these and probably put the red ones in there. I'm not sure, but that'll be probably pretty dope. I might try. I might have some Air Force red shoelaces or some Nike shoelaces, and I'm gonna try it out to see how it look. But that's all I have for the overview, man. This shoe is definitely dope. It's definitely worth the price because of the quality and just the creativity. And I'm not gonna lie, it's popular right now. Everybody is just like rocking this shoe, so it's pretty dope. So let me know what y'all think of. Y'all copped it. Y'all send me y'all outfits or what y'all think about the shoe in the comments below. Now I'm finna jump into the outfits of these, so I hope y'all like it. If y'all don't, hey, just shoot me down in the comments. Nah, but don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because I will be styling these shoes on there too. Watch my shorts, all them good stuff. Thank y'all for all the support, man. Like all the love, man. I just appreciate y'all. Let's get to 20K. I know we can hit it. Thank y'all. Love y'all. And I hope y'all enjoy the fit. See y'all next video. And I'm out. Peace.
NT, you made this? NT, you made this?
If you don't want to break the bank on the forces, or you can't get them or whatever, hey, I'm gonna tell y'all right here, curly.sneaker, they have them. You can hit them up on the Instagram and the WhatsApp right here, all on this paper. All the information is right here. Y'all definitely check them out. They send me in these forces and they good quality, man. So it's up to you. I'm not forcing y'all anything like that, but hey, shout out to them. They sent this out to them, sent the shoes out to me. If you want to get you a pair, go ahead, check them out.